The sky weeps with acid, relentless and unyielding, reshaping all it touches.
Nature bends and corrodes beneath the ceaseless, acidic downpour. Even the strongest stone cannot withstand the sky's relentless bite. Rivers boil and darken, a continuous testament to the sky's fury. Even barren lands dissolve under the endless corrosive deluge. Civilization's remnants crumble, devoured by the unending acid sky. The seas hiss under the relentless fall, a world transformed by corrosion. Even ice surrenders, dissolving under the sky's perpetual acid rain. The earth itself bleeds, reshaped by the relentless chemical cascade. The endless rain devours everything, a world rewritten by relentless acid. If you dare to imagine, hit like and subscribe for more mind-bending scenarios.